Good morning. Today we are excited to share an important milestone in the life of Bonner and Prendy. Our school has officially joined the Augustinian Secondary Education Association. This is a national network of Catholic secondary schools rooted in the Augustinian tradition.
To help us understand what this means for us, for our school, for our families, we are going to interview Dr. John Cooke, our president, who will answer various questions to tell you about this exciting time, an exciting chapter in the school's history. So welcome.
And thank you, Dr. Cooke, for joining us. Dr. Cooke, Bonner and Prendy has officially become a member of the Augustinian Secondary Education Association. What does this milestone mean for our school community?
I think it's a great opportunity for our school to connect to the Augustinian charism and the values of Unitas, Veritas, Caritas. These are great values that we really intentionally try to live out every day at Bonner and Prendy.
Why was this an important step at this time in our school's history?
I think in today's world, especially in Catholic education, it's very challenging at times to have religious within the building. Both our schools and at one time had many priests and religious sisters in the schools. And now, expressing your Catholic identity is very important, especially in the Archdiocese of Philadelphia and the history of both our schools. So I think, uniting in with the three values of the Augustinian tradition, it's a good opportunity to really reconnect with our Catholic values and really express our identity as a Catholic school.
So, Dr. Cooke, for those who aren't familiar, who are the Order of St. Augustine?
So the Order of St. Augustine are the communities that were founded by St. Augustine. It includes nuns and priests, and sometimes the priests are called friars.
That's interesting. Tell me a little bit more about Augustine of Hippo.
So St. Augustine was from North Africa. He lived a very loosely, partied a lot in his lifetime until he found God. And then ultimately he became a very deep thinker, philosopher, and one of the most well-respected theologians in Roman Catholic history. He's considered the doctor of the church. And St. Augustine has been a very huge influence on our school here at Bonner Prendy.
Well, what makes Augustinian spirituality so distinctive?
Well, St. Augustine really recognized the importance of self, but also his importance to others as a community. So that basically is the foundation for the three values of the Augustinian charism of Unitas, Veritas, Caritas, which is unity, love, and truth.
So that's interesting. How do they show up in the daily life here at Bonner and Prendy?
So although we don't have any full-time friars or Augustines in the school currently, they do come and help us out with the Sacrament of Reconciliation or help us with liturgies, and they serve as a resource to our faculty and staff as well.
Can you tell me more about the Augustinian Secondary Education Association?
So the Augustinian Secondary Education Association, or ASEA, is a collection of Augustinian high schools across the continent, because there's actually a school in Canada that's part of the network as well.
Why did you think it was important for us to join the ASEA?
Well, number one, it provides an extra network for our faculty and staff, but more importantly, it provides resources for our students. The ASEA actually sponsors two different institutes, one called the AVI, the Augustinian Values Institute for faculty and staff, and a student version called the Student Augustinian Values Institute, or SAVI, which we have a group of students attending that this coming spring.
So what would being part of this national network provide for us that we wouldn't have otherwise?
So as mentioned before, the SAVI and AVI institutes are a great opportunity for our faculty and staff and students to actually go somewhere different in the country. Like we took a group last year to Chicago, the faculty and staff to go through the AVI, and our group this year is going to Boston. So number one, it allows people to go to see different parts of the country, but more importantly, work with the other groups from other schools across the continent to really focus on the values of St. Augustine, which helps us really ground again our mission of Catholic identity and really put into action and words what we're all about, especially as related to the Augustinian values and charism.
So it's an opportunity to have like a partnership and be able to interact with these other schools.
Absolutely. So if a theology teacher wanted to, kick around some ideas from with somebody outside of the Bonner Prendy community, they could reach out to an Augustinian school faculty member out in San Diego to talk about different ideas.
Okay, so let's talk about our students. What benefits can they expect to experience from this membership?
Well, I think the students have an opportunity to develop their leadership skills. It also provides opportunities to be academically successful in interacting with other students from other schools. And the most important thing is faith formation, really helping them define, their sense of belonging in the church. Again, exploring themselves inner self, and then understanding what their individuality means to the larger community.
So how does ASEA support our faculty and staff?
Again, I think it also provides our faculty and staff an opportunity to develop their leadership skills, and also it's a good opportunity for professional development. I think I mentioned before about a theology teacher interacting with another theology teacher from another school, but it goes beyond that. It could also be our advancement staff or admissions staff working with others from other schools and getting ideas and networking that way as well.
What message would you like to share with our alum about this exciting new chapter in Bonner Prendy?
Well, Patty, almost 75 years ago in 1953, it was the Augustinians who were the first ones to step foot into the building of Archbishop Prendergast High School. And it's almost like we're coming full circle now. We're reconnected with the Augustinian order and ASEA, and really redefining and establishing everything we do here at Bonner Prendy on the three values of truth, unity, and community. I think it's a good opportunity for our alumni to learn and re-embrace the experiences they had here at Bonner and Prendy and see what this is all about. It's an exciting time for our church internationally with an Augustinian Pope, and with the many connections we have with the Augustinians, worldwide with Father Bill Atkinson's Cause for Sainthood. I think it's a good opportunity for alumni to come back and see what it's all about.
So, Dr. Cooke, if St. Augustine were alive today, what message do you think he would have for our students?
I think one of the most important things that St. Augustine would say to our students is really define yourself and your relationship with God. That's so important, especially this time of your life while you're in high school, before you go graduate and go out into the world. So I think that's the number one thing that he would really tell them to focus on, the values of truth, unity, and love, and really establish what that means for themselves and their relationship with God. And then ultimately, after they graduate, they're going to become part of a larger community, and that's a very important aspect of St. Augustine's teachings too, is being part of that community and what that means. So first you have to define your relationship with God, and then you go out there and be part of your community.
Well, Dr. Cooke, thank you so much for joining me today and allowing me to interview and ask you these important questions about the Augustinian values.
And thank you, Patty, for asking me the questions that you did today so we could share with our community what it means to be part of the ASEA. And I'm really excited about our community really participating in the Augustinian charism and expressing our values of Unitas, Caritas, and Veritas.
Thank you so much for joining us today. In the future, we plan to have several more of these Q&A sessions, so I hope you're able to join us and learn a little bit more about our journey as part of the ASEA.